Hello, and welcome back to another dish of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is February the 19th, 2026, and we're finally going to get to start planting here. I'm gardening in Pennsylvania in Zone 5B. We got some of our seeds here. We're going to be planting our onions, our cold season crops. I'm really late getting this stuff planted, but we had a lot of snow, so we couldn't get into the greenhouses, and we had heating issues and different things. But we're finally going to get our stuff planted here, including the pansy seeds. We are going to be using soil blocking, but I also went back and I got some more of these Pro Hex trays here, and this is a whole kit. It comes with a clear lid on top and everything. I've used these before, and I got a bunch of these trays here that don't have any holes in them, and these here were made by Fairy Morris, and they're really nice and heavy. So we're going to be using some of these, and we got our seed starting mix. I got my plant tags on one of my new storage containers that I bought, and we have our landscaper's fabric for putting in our onion trays. So I went with the largest tray that I had bought, and I have my seed starting mix in here. We're going to get this all mixed up. We have our trays here for starting our onion seeds in. So I have my onion seeds here, and the first ones we're going to plant is the Walla Walla onion seeds. And I already have it labeled here. And I just like to sprinkle these on the soil surface. And they will get a light covering over top of them then. I do not try and plant these in rows. Just sort of sprinkle them like this. If you see, you get a big clump of them, like right here. You just kind of pick some of them out and move them here to a different spot. If you wanted to, you could do like a some kind of planting grid or something like that, but I just sprinkle them across the soil surface, and then they get a light covering. So I got this here pretty well seeded. You can see about how close they are together. And I used one whole pack, which they said it was approximately like 200 seeds. I didn't count them. And then I used some of another pack. So we're going to get these covered here. And I have my dry seed starting mix here. And I'm just going to put about 1/4 of an inch of covering over this. Just going to get this patted down here. A little bit more here. I can still see some of the seeds. Go. And I'm just patting this down here. Make sure we get nice good contact with our seeds and our soil. And then we're going to put the watering wand on a mist. If you don't have the watering wand, you can use a spray bottle. Make sure no seeds are stuck to my gloves here. And we're just misting across this here. Getting it nice and moist. Having a little bit of an issue with our watering wand here. Huh? There's one in the wagon. So this year is nice and moist and misted. We're going to be transferring it, the whole tray and everything, over to this container here. This is one of my new containers that I got. I did get them from Walmart online. They were offering combo packs and different things, and they were reasonably priced in my opinion. So I went ahead and got them. And they are very heavy and they're very sturdy. So we're going to see how they work out. Okay, so this is down here on the heated floor. That's my germination mat. Is a radiant heated floor. I have the lid on loose, but it's not on tight because your seeds need oxygen to germinate. And that lid has some holes in it, so that's going to help let the excess heat escape out. And it's going to let for the oxygen to go in. You want to check on these every day to make sure that your seed starting mix stays moist but not soggy, and you don't want to let your flats sitting in water. And you can see here the onion seeds have started sprouting. All of these here are onions coming up. So they're not ready to take the lid off yet. I was just checking them for water here, so I'm going to put this back on. And I will take them off of the heated floor, and I'll take the lid off when they are up more. Yep, you can see they're starting to sprout in here too. So I hope that you found this video helpful for how to start onions from seed. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button to put a new video on. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.